In this video, let's learn how to change floating notification style. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to notifications option. In here, click on advanced settings option. You can see this floating notifications option, click on it. You can see the bubbles notification preview in here. If you like to use this smart pop-up view, you can enable it. After, you can see a preview like this. If you want to turn off these floating notifications, you can select this off option.